Welcome to day 4 of 12 days of December deep cleaning. Today we are doing the fridge. I was so exhausted from the windows yesterday. So we're going to do something that just is kind of like a finite area. Like the fridge is one spot. I'm just going to do the inside of the fridge today. I will be polishing all the exterior appliances when I do the cabinets. So I'm also washing everything in place. I'm not taking all of the food out and washing each basket individually. I'm going through with a vacuum to get all of the little crumblies, any of like the dry little pieces. There aren't a lot of like little spots or spills. So once I get all of like the crumbs out of the fridge, it should be just like a really quick wipe down. Obviously this video is sped up, but it took me about 30 minutes to do this. If I don't have time in the future for like a wipe down, vacuuming only took about 8 minutes to do the whole fridge and it already looked way cleaner. So I might just keep that in the back pocket for next time, as if I don't have enough time, I'll just vacuum and literally like I'm just moving the jars out of the way and vacuuming everything through. And it made such a difference just doing that. So yeah, I'm going to remember that for next time. Yeah, because that's actually like, what a life hack. Today is Thursday, December 4th, and I'm looking down the barrel at our weekends, and I'm probably going to have to take a break this weekend. We are going to Christmastown, so maybe I will take some videos and put up a vlog about that. It is so cool. Like, it's literally Santa's village. It's the North Pole. They've got the Elves Workshop. They've got Santa's place. They've got, like, the whole thing is a literal town that they turn into the North Pole in this conservation area. So, yeah, it's, like, incredible. I want to take some videos and, like, kind of do a vlog about that. It's kind of a tradition that we do now. Like, we do it every year with the kids. And honestly, I have fun. Like, I love it. I love Christmas. And going to this thing, like, it's going to be so fun. So yeah, I will still make sure that I do a video tomorrow for day 5 of deep cleaning, and then probably Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to take a break. I'm trying to keep on top of it. I do still need to finish all 12 days before people come over, but yeah, I'll do 5 days through, and then we're going to take a little break. This morning, I actually went with the kids to a breastfeeding circle, which was really fun. We were all just kind of sharing our breastfeeding journeys and stories, and I've been breastfeeding for 4.5 years, so it was kind of like a fun celebration of my breastfeeding journey and kind of reflecting back on all the highs and lows, but like also I think it's important as women to like share our experiences so that other people hear them. I don't think a lot of people tandem feed. Like, I have not stopped breastfeeding even throughout my pregnancies. And I was breastfeeding Beckett even after Valerie was born for almost 1.5 years. And tandem feeding now, I still feed Valerie and I'm feeding Natalie. And I think it's like such a beautiful experience. So yeah, getting to like share my story and let other people know, because pretty much nobody hears about tandem feeding. So like nobody there really had ever heard of anyone who had done it. So I think it's important to share stuff like that. And it was nice for the kids too. Like, the kids actually could join in, and Beckett remembers breastfeeding and Valerie obviously still breastfeeds. So it's like kind of nice for them to hear those conversations as well. Also, I just realized I'm wearing the same pants as I was yesterday, and I just want you guys to know that those are my house pants, okay? So like, they weren't worn all day yesterday or all day today. I wear them to do stuff like this. Like, you can see they're dirty. When I'm at home, I get like food on me from the kids or pee on me from her diaper. So these are my house pants. And just so you guys are aware, that's what's going on here. I haven't like worn this all the way through. I have changed. This is just for like cleaning and doing all the messy stuff in the house. I would love to hear some of your plans for the holidays in the comments if you guys are interested in sharing. I love this time of year. I love spending time with family, and like, yes, it's a lot of work to have people over and to clean the house like this so that it's nice and clean for when everyone's here. But like, it's an act of love in the same way. And also, I just love Like, this is a great time to host people, because then you're starting the new year with like a clean house. And I've been like getting rid of anything that isn't like, so all these sauce bottles, there's a couple that were empty, getting rid of some of the sauce bottles, getting rid of all the old and in with the new, right, for the new year. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, or like this video. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, I guess, for some back-breaking labor.